I gotta stay on my mission, yo. Back on the money, okay. Say I've been gone, but I'm home. I really been through the storm. Say young niggas hot like stone. Say I gotta fit it for money. Scar for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know. Girl, where have you been? What have you doing? Why haven't you uploaded for a whole month? What's up with you? Why are you doing all that? Huh? Well, guess what? Today's video, I'm going to be explaining why I've been gone. What's the gist? What's happening? You know what I'm saying? Just explain it to y'all so y'all don't feel left out. I know you guys have noticed it's a different setup. It looks different, looks weird, it's odd. I'm gonna get into that soon. But let's just get into this. So today I have like a mini haul / I'm gonna get ready with you guys and also explain where have I been. I went to Wally World. Wally World. And I got a few things because I was running out of things, so I really couldn't record no video really too because I didn't have a few things. So both things that I need. So the first thing I usually get the regular makeup wipes, but these are the nighttime soothing makeup removing wipes, and I'm gonna give these a try, see how this goes. I think it's gonna be good. I've seen a lot of good reviews. It has 40 in there. I usually get the 2-pack, but I got this just to try it out. If I like it, I'll buy a 2-pack. I also got a new concealer, guys. I got this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I got in the color light sand. This is big. Look at this. Ooh, it has a thick one just like the Tape Shade concealer. Yes. I also got the Covergirl Clean Matte Pressed Powder Oil Control. I needed a pressed powder because you guys know I've always used a loose powder, and this one has a little mirror. I'm excited to try this. I also got the e.l.f. Makeup Mist Setting Spray. I needed some setting spray. You guys know that I never use setting spray. Somebody told me I need to get it, so I got some. I never used this brand's setting spray, but I used the NYX one, and I honestly, probably because it was old, I didn't like it. I also got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It's matte. I got a INQUIRES spray brush cleaner. I need some brush cleaner. I was actually gonna get the one that you rub it in there, but I decided this is bigger and this will work good. So last but not least, I went to Belle's and I got me some sponges. I'm just trying this out. I usually use just these. I don't typically use the egg one. I did when I first started out with makeup. I used to use the Real Techniques, and I used the Beauty Blender once, but $5. This was $3.99, and it comes with all this. So this is the sponge. It is super soft. If you can tell, it's super soft. It feels similar, not exact, but similar to the Real Techniques one. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking some tape. I need to take care of these eyebrows, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I used that concealer to do my eyes, and that's some full coverage concealer, and it works great. I want to do something neutral for a change. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to be going in with is from my Rude Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking this light brown type of shade. It's like a sandy type of color, and I'm just going to use that as a transition color, and I'm just going to take it from here all the way to my crease. Oh, and another thing about this concealer is it dries fast, but you know, I moved and the pregnancy, and it's just been a lot on my plate. I also I'm gonna do a tribute to Faith because I had to give away Faith, and that hurt me a lot. I'm so sad about it. I miss her so much. So sad. Alright, so when you have that transition shade packed in, I'm going to go back in with my Root Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a not too dark, but it's like a dirt brown. It's also like a teddy bear color to me. That's what it reminds me of. Alright, so I'm going to change to this type of brush. It's like a flat circle shaped, and I'm just going to take that color again, and I'm just going to take it onto my crease. It's been a little hectic. I didn't know what to do, how to feel about getting rid of Faith. It made me cry a lot. Like, I love Faith so much, and you guys know how much I love Faith. They say that I had to do it for my baby, so I had to do it. She was starting to get a little bad at the end too, and I don't like to say that. She started peeing everywhere, like Jesus. So I'm thinking about doing a halo eye today, because I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it. But I miss her tremendously, y'all. It's really sad. It hurts my heart so much that she's gone. But I pray for her every night that she has fun. Supposedly, my boyfriend, not supposedly, but my boyfriend, he to his friend that he knows, and his grandfather loves cats and has a lot of cats. I just needed this small brush. This is my old tape shade concealer. If you keep seeing me look over here, it's because I have a mirror right there. I'm gonna go back in with this palette, and I'm going to take this darker color. It looks like poop, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it on the edges just to make this more gradient and make the cut better. Okay, so I'm going to take my Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm going to take Main Squeeze. So I'm just going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to take Main Squeeze. But first, I'm going to take my setting spray, and I'm going to spray both sides. Okay, so I'm going to take these off. This is the eyeshadow. Let me show you guys. I love it. I did a look similar to this. I think it's the exact same look, but since I have this setting spray, I feel like it looks 100 times better. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild matte primer. It's a photo focus one. I'm just gonna take a tad bit of it on my fingers, like just that much. I don't want to take too much. I'm gonna take it into my skin. Seeing if it has done anything to my skin. I kind of feel matte. I feel like it looks good. Yeah, I feel like it looks good. I normally start with concealer first, so I'll be using my e.l.f. 16-hour cover foundation, and I'm gonna try my hardest not to use too much. And I'm just gonna dab it. I don't feel like I honestly need that much, and I'm just gonna put that there. I have a mustache, guys. I'm gonna take some corrector. I'm gonna take this pink one, and I'm just gonna start blending before it dries. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this beauty blender, and I'm gonna spray it with this setting spray. and I'm just gonna go in. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, Fit Me Foundation, and I'm just going to take a little bit, just a little bit, on the back of my hand, like that much. And I'm just going to dab it all over my face. And I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna do my brush first. Then I'm going to do my sponge, because I feel like it looks way better if you use a brush first, then you use a sponge. You know that I am acneed out. This pregnancy has me breaking out, y'all, like no tomorrow. So now I'm just gonna take the beauty blender and I'm gonna make sure everything is pressed into the skin. I'm gonna take this So Susan Dream Maker highlighter in Pop Star, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat it into my cheeks. Like that, if you can see. So I'm gonna take my NK Professions loose powder and I'm gonna set under my eye. And I'm gonna use my Take Home the bronzer by the Balm. Now I'm gonna take my new pressed powder and I'm gonna brush away this powder. Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. It's in Quirky. My Prism palette by e.l.f. And I'm not really feeling nude for my lips. I'm feeling this red, this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Wifey. Going to put something on my bottom lash line. I honestly do not feel like putting on no lashes, so I'm just gonna take my mascara. Little makeup setting spray. So this is the finished makeup look. I am in love with it. I am going to change and do my hair, and I'm gonna be right back to do my little modeling for y'all. But I'm sorry that I've also been gone so long too, so please forgive me, guys. And I promise you I'm gonna be coming back better than ever with these videos. You're gonna love them, and you're gonna love to see, I hope you love to see my journey with my new blessing. Be right back. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. I promise I will get better at this. I'm sorry that I took that break, and I love all of you guys. You guys mean so much to me, and I thank you for all your support. I just hope you guys have a blessed day.